And the much anticipated Bahubali 2 is in theatres today. The movie is being released across 6,500 screens in India. Cumulatively, the film is releasing in over 9,000 screens worldwide, which is huge for an Indian film. Bahubali fans have been queuing up to get tickets not just in India, but across the world. Bahubali, the conclusion, has already broken several records, and one amongst them is its collections from the US in the form of pre-booking. The first day of the show has already earned a whopping 19 crore rupees. The movie seems to break more records at both domestic and international levels.
Finally, it has been released, so we were waiting for it like so excitedly. We are actually very thrilled to see that why #Katappa killed Bahubali. So finally, we booked for the first day first show. Thankfully, we've got the tickets.
I also want to know why Katappa killed Bahubali, and at the same time, like as you know, the scale of the film is pretty grand. So being an Indian, it kind of like gratifies my like cinephile senses whenever I see something like that happening.
Quite excited for watching Bahubali and to reveal the mystery behind the question why Katappa killed Bahubali. So we are very excited and we are going to see the movie and we'll come and tell you how he killed him.
I came here very anxiously to see the Bahubali. Witnessing in the advertisement other things, excellent picture and no doubt about it, and I have seen the first picture at least 5 times.
Very good response. Almost the people given the feedback 100%. The movie will be more than 1,000 crores. It's the first movie, Telugu movie, the crossing more than 1,000 crores. So fans have so much happy to see in this movie from 8 o'clock show.
Bahubali Part 2 is not the conclusion, but is the beginning of new era and the beginning of new records. Saho Rajamouli, hats off to the Jakkanna.
We bring you some interesting facts about the blockbuster film. Take a look.
First up, we look at the 5 interesting facts about the film. Bahubali released simultaneously in 4 languages: Hindi, Tamil, Telugu and Malayalam. Karan Johar's Dharma Production is distributing and marketing the Hindi release.
Bahubali, the conclusion, is touted to be the most anticipated film that our cinema has ever produced.
अमरेंद्र बाहुबली यानी मैं महिष्मति की असंख्य प्रजा और उनके धन, मान और प्राण की रक्षा करूंगा.
The film releases in 9,000 screens worldwide. It has earned more than 5 billion rupees before the release just by selling the rights. It is the first Telugu film to be released in 4K high-definition format. Now it's time to know about our favorite bad guy, Rana Daggubati. Rana started his career as a visual effects coordinator. He won Nandi Award, the highest honor in Telugu cinema. He put on 110 kilos for the role in Bahubali 1 and then lost 20 kilos for Part 2. Rana is an ardent Kabaddi fan and is the brand ambassador of Pro Kabaddi League. And he's crazy about actress Sridevi. Lastly, we can't miss out the good guy, Bahubali, aka Prabhas. The actor dedicated 4 years to Bahubali franchise, doing no other project in this period. His fitness trainer is Mr. World 2010, Lakshman Reddy. Our good guy is a big fan of Robert De Niro. And Prabhas has won 4 Best Actor awards till date. Watch these titans clash on the screens of theatres near you. Bahubali 2 is all set to give you a power-packed weekend. Bureau Report, WION.